Hello, I'm Jay Steinauer, Service and Installation Technician for 4B USA. Before we start, please make sure you have the following tools available. Optional accessories we like to use are the 4B Speedmaster and Pulse Pilot for complete product testing. First, the M800 must be calibrated to the normal shaft speed. Before calibrating, ensure that the belt is tight and is not slipping. Do not introduce product during the calibration process. To start the machine. If the sensor has power, the input LED should be blinking red while the shaft is turning. Wait a few seconds for the machine to achieve normal running speed. After 5 seconds, the set LED should be solid green. Now, place the magnet on the calibration area. See that the set LED flashes green once per second. Hold the magnet in place for the amount of time it takes for the machine to ramp up to full speed, then remove. The set LED should then flash back the same number of times and then stay steady. The unit is now calibrated. Now for the most important step, testing. Testing should be done as often as practical, but at a minimum, annually. Use a putty knife to block the signal. The machine should shut down immediately. To test the alarm and shut down completely and accurately, we will use the Speedmaster and Pulse Pilot. To start with, turn the Speedmaster on. Slide the Pulse Pilot between the M800 and the whirligig. In a few seconds, when the speed is stabilized, calibrate the Speedmaster. Once achieved, switch from input to output mode. Then, reduce the speed on the Speedmaster. At 10% below normal speed, the alarm will sound. At 20% below normal speed, the machine will shut down. You are now protecting your investment with the M800, and you can be confident that your monitoring system will operate and perform as expected.